presenting the Dodge 2017 Journey Crossroad Plus. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are billet clear coat, engine, 2.4 Li 4DOHC16V dual VVT, STD, transmission, 4-speed automatic VLP, STD, black leather seats with sport mesh inserts, quick order package 22V Crossroad Plus included, engine 2.4 Li 4DOHC16V dual VVT transmission, 4-speed automatic VLP premium door trim panel with stitching passenger and seat cushion storage interior observation mirror front passenger forward fold flat seat Crossroad equipment group ATC with 3-zone temp control 8.4 inches touchscreen display cargo net power 4-way driver lumbar adjust power 6-way driver seat, compact spare tire, front wheel drive, power steering and ABS. This car will